the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1. We got them in hand early. Not my size, unfortunately. I did pick up a pair size 8 to take a look at here on the channel. I paid quite a hefty price for these quite a few days, just a few days early, from someone that was able to hit locally here on the Sneakers app via the exclusive access. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys copped the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1 already. If you didn't cop, is this a cop or a drop? If this sneaker is a cop for you, put a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. If it's a drop, put a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who's copping and who's not the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1. Make sure you guys stick around. I will be giving away this pair because it is not my size. I can't do much with it, so I want to give it away to one of you guys. Stick around. In this video, we're going to talk about the problem and the hype and the whole release around the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1. I'm going to tell you guys right now, good luck coming Saturday for this sneaker for retail. This sneaker is going to be nearly impossible to get for retail. I'm going to tell you guys right now, this is going to be a very, very limited sneaker come this Saturday. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I will be dropping another video talking about restocks on this sneaker because this sneaker will restock. We'll talk about it. Stay tuned to the channel. With that being said, let's talk about the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1. I want to start off with reviewing the sneaker. I think this sneaker is awesome. The colorway is great. They're very similar, of course, to the Turbo Green Air Jordan 1s that released a couple of years ago. Personally, I am going to take this sneaker, the Hyper Royal, all day over those Turbo Greens. I'm not a fan of the Turbo Green. I like this sneaker 10 times better. I think this is such a better colorway. Very similar, but still a better colorway here with the Hyper Royal. So let's take a look at the material. You do have around the blue, it's all like an ashy effect, kind of like an acid wash denim-like effect in this suede-like material. Very nice and very hairy as well. Take a look at that. Very, very dope. Take a look at the back. You do have gray leather that is very soft. Very, very nice, high-quality leather there on the back, as well as on the toe box. Guys, this leather is very, very soft. I cannot stress it enough. Very soft to the touch. Very nice, wrinkled, tumbled leather there on the toe. The midsection does use a soft leather that is not quite as soft, but it's still pretty soft nonetheless. They do come with an extra pair of blue laces, the royal blue laces, as well as the white laces to match the white tongue, and you do have the royal Nike Air on the tongue as well, and that can match the blue laces. I like that look. I think that would be a dope look. Personally, I would keep the white pair in. I think that would look very, very dope. Or maybe some gray laces as well to match the gray. The Nike swoosh is in gray leather as well. Very nice quality. This is a dope Air Jordan 1. You do have, of course, that very nice gray outsole and your white midsole. No sale on this one, just to give us a traditional white midsole. This is going to be a problem come Saturday, so let's talk about the release and why this sneaker is going to be a problem for you watching this video. So, guys, this sneaker is going to sell out. We all know that. The hype's going to be there, demand's going to be there, resale's going to be there. Resale is going to be very, very high, especially on Saturday and Sunday. This weekend, resale is going to be very, very high. If you manage to cop, I recommend quick flipping them Saturday or Sunday, and then if you're not, hold on to them later on. They're definitely going to go up. If you guys want, I'll talk about more about resale. Let's talk about the release. How you guys can cop a pair, because it's not going to be easy. I want to go on a rant very quickly about the Nike Sneakers app. Why is it a draw, bro? It makes no sense. Draws suck. Draws suck. For those of you don't know that think draws are better than a regular Leo drop, no. Draws are literally 10 times worse. I guess like 3 to 4 times worse. Guys, you have 10 minutes to enter compared to 2 to 3 minutes with a Leo drop. all the people with bots, multiple accounts have 10 minutes to enter. This is not going to be fun. This is not going to be a fun release come Saturday at all, especially on the Sneakers app. Expect that L. I'm telling you, expect that L. On the Sneakers app. Guys, a draw with already a very limited shoe that's going to be even more limited in stores and online. Oh my goodness, this shoe is going to be a headache. Let's talk about in store. It's going to be, of course, on the apps. It's already there. However, take a look at the Flex app. All you're going to see is grade school sizes. You're not even going to see men's sizes up there. It doesn't look like they even got the shipments in, or they're delaying it like Nike should have done. This sneaker should be pushed back 100%. They're not pushed back. They're releasing on the 17th on Saturday, but guys, this sneaker should be pushed back because of how limited and tough it's going to be. Now, it's these stores that are getting pairs, right? You're going to have stores getting a size run, not even a full size run, bro, like a broken up size run. Also, you're going to have stores that only get men's. You're going to have stores that only get grade school. Then you're going to have stores that get nothing on Saturday. My local stores, nothing. Finish Line, nothing. Foot Locker, grade school. That's it. That's it, guys. It's going to be a very tough release. Take a look at the Flex app. Some of your stores probably don't even have them up there. Guys, this is going to be a very, very tough Air Jordan 1 release come Saturday. Expect a lot of delayed shipments, expect a lot of restocks, and expect them online to quickly sell out as well. Online, oh man, bots already eat up online, as we all know. This sneaker is going to be more of a disaster, more atrocious, to be honest, of a release, especially online. Oh my goodness. Nike, why did you not push this release back? I don't understand. Guys, this sneaker, 1,000,000% should have been pushed back. I think I even tweeted about it. Guys, this shoe should have been pushed back. They're not ready to release. And I do want to go on a little rant, one more thing. Why in the world are we even getting release dates if everything's not even releasing on actual release day? Like, you're not releasing most of the stock even release day. Why even give us a release date? I don't know, man. This is going to be one atrocious release, guys. One atrocious release. Let me give you guys a little, for instance. Early pairs, right? We're going for about $600 to $700. I didn't spend it. I'll tell you guys. I paid mochas. I paid $500 for mochas early. University Blue ones, I paid $550 for them early. I was about to pay $600 for these early. I didn't. I got them, yesterday, last night, and I paid $480 for them early. Much better, but still a pretty hefty price tag. So, because I did that, I need you guys to hit the thumbs up. Please make sure you guys hit that thumbs up if you guys love when I pick up early sneakers and give you guys a quick look at them and a review of them and talk about resale. We unbox them. We do all of that here on the channel. So if you guys love sneakers, hit that subscribe button. Now let's talk about the giveaway, because I know a lot of people are waiting to hear about how you can win a free pair, this free pair right here, size 8 in the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do, it's very simple, is make sure you guys hit that thumbs up on this video. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Give me a follow on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and DM me proof that you did everything. That's it. That's all you guys need to do. Also, drop a comment down below. Dropping a comment will help your chances of winning. It's a lot easier to see who is commenting, so be sure to leave a comment and leave your Instagram as well. Good luck come Saturday, man. This, once again, is going to be a very tough release. Expect an L. I'm telling you guys, expect an L. It's going to be a lot of who you know to cop this sneaker for retail. That's what it's going to come down to. Expect to pay resale if you truly want them and you wind up taking a big fat L on Saturday that I think a lot of us are going to take. A lot of us, more than what you think, are going to take L's on Saturday, guys. This is going to be one of the most limited general release Jordan 1s of the year. The more limited ones. These are going to be more harder to get than the University Blues. If you didn't get University Blues for retail, man, not looking good on these. I'm going to be honest, these are going to be a lot tougher to get on release day for retail than the University Blue Air Jordan 1s, than the Mocha Air Jordan 1s, man. This is not going to be an easy shoe. Good luck. Let me know what you guys think about them down below in the comments. Are they a cop? Are they a drop? If they are a cop for you, once again, put a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. If they're a drop, put a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who wants the cop and who doesn't. Man, these are clean, and this is going to be one crazy sneaker to invest in. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We'll talk about resale on the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1s. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. These are straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.